What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're going to be drawing a Minion Sprunki. Let's begin on the top center of the page and draw 2 circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top. And we want to bring that down towards the same height, and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's draw 2 smaller circles in the center of each eye for the pupils. So we're going to start back on the left, from the very top, going all the way around, and then back up. Now I want to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the pupils. Let's surround the eyes with the outside of the goggles. We're going to connect it in the center, so right in the middle. Let's start with a point. Now let's trace the outside of the left eye. We want to bring this back up in the center, across the bottom, to right about there. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing around the right eye. Now I want to draw a circle for the head tucked in behind the eyes. Let's start on the top left. We go up, round up the head, and then bring that down on the right side. Let's move down and draw the bottom of the head. Coming down, round out the head, and then back up. Let's go to the center and add a curve for the mouth. And then on the outside, we're going to add those hinges. Let's start on the top left and go out. Line that up on the right, go straight down, and then pull that back in. And then we're going to split that hinge in half with a straight line. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start over on the left side, draw a straight angled line, coming down, and then out to right about there. Go to the right side, and do the same thing. And we'll close off the bottom with another straight line. Let's go back up to the top of the body and add those straps. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line coming all the way down to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Flatten off the bottom. And we'll pull that back up underneath the head. Let's add 2 circles and fill those in black for the buttons. Now we're going to move up and draw a straight line going across. Let's go to the bottom corner of the strap, come down, and then bend that out towards the hips. And we're going to add that pocket in the center. Start with a straight line, and we'll close off the bottom with a half circle, coming down and then up. Let's add a circle in the center. And then we're going to add a diamond shape, coming down toward the left, bottom, and then up along the right side, and it'll fill the outside in black. Now it's going to finish off the logo, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a Minion Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.